Today's Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra Special Edition unboxing. Okay, let's open the box first. Inside the box front, length paper sheet here, more box ends. Then box inside 120 watts fast charging adapter, and Type-C cable and SIM card tool. Last free TPU case, quality it good, and dongle 3.5 jack to Type-C cable. Last paper worksheet. Xiaomi brings a new addition to the Mi 10 series. On Tuesday, the China team unveiled the Mi 10 Ultra to mark the company's 10th anniversary in the smartphone business. The Mi 10 Ultra is as premium as it can get with 120W charging capability, 120Hz SCR. The smartphone comes in 3 options: obsidian black, mercury silver, and a transparent edition. In China, the Mi 10 Ultra will be available for purchase starting August 16. As noted, there are no words on international availability. What Mi 10 Ultra pack? Mi 10 Ultra comes with several premium features on board. The smartphone includes a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Similar to the Mi 10, this one is also powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 paired with 16GB LPDDR5 RAM and up to. The phone comes with features like VC liquid cooling, multi-layer graphite, thermal sensor array, and graphene for effective temperature management. It runs MIUI 12, based on Android 10. It includes a 4500 mAh battery paired with 120W charging support. T8. The company claims that the phone can charge fully in just 23 minutes. There's also support for 50W wireless fast charging that is claimed to charge the phone fully in just 40 minutes. Xiaomi also launched a 55W wireless charging stand that supports EP. Mi 10 Ultra also supports reverse wireless charging at up to 10W. The phone includes a quad rear camera setup including a 48MP primary sensor, 20MP ultra-wide sensor, 12MP portrait sensor and a telephoto lens with 120x ultra zoom support. The phone also includes a laser autofocus and a flicker sensor. The phone is also capable of recording 8K videos from the primary and telephoto sensor. For selfies, there's a 20MP sensor on the front. The phone supports in-display fingerprint sensor.